In this video, you will be shown how to find your next gig and secure their contact information so you can get booked. As always, if you find value in this video, make sure to leave a like and share with a friend who is a musician. It's always great to pass on the help once you know something. My goal is to provide as much value as possible, and by sharing the video, that helps it get out to more people in need. Important things to bear in mind before we jump into the laptop is getting gigs is not easy. Make sure you're persistent. If you need a gig quickly for money or whatever, you're much better off going into places you've already played and asking for a repeat booking. They already know who you are, they already know what you can do, they're more likely to say yes. But if you're not in an immense hurry to get a gig and you're looking just to add places to your list, then this is the video for you. So the first place we're going to try and find gigs is Bournemouth. I'm just choosing random locations to sort of prove this could be done anywhere. So we're going in Bournemouth, and then we're going to do pubs, just because they're the easiest places to get gigs. Amazing. So we're in Bournemouth. Where are we? Oh, we're over here. Cool. Go down here. Well, and then there's two options. So you can go down on the left-hand side here, or you can go and just click on ones that you think might be nice on the side. You can even type in live music over here and see if you have any more luck to start off with. So they have 83 photos. We're going to see if there's any pictures of some live musicians. So in here, it looks like they might actually do some live music. Oh, it looks like a safe place to play. That looks like a PA system. Keep going down because we might. Sometimes they're not immediately visible. So if I was based in the Bournemouth area, I would definitely take my cards into this place and ask if they put on any music, and if they do, how to go about getting booked. They might very easily do an open mic night. Next one, we'll go down to O'Neill's. They've got almost 600 pictures. Wow. These guys definitely have the space to put on live music. It's just if they actually do. That looks like almost like an outside area. Oh yeah, look at that. And there's definitely a place to do some music playing. There you go. Yeah, so there's a live band stage there. So that would actually be a really good one to do. So that's getting a gig in Bournemouth. That was literally less than a minute to try and find that one. So it's definitely possible to find places wherever you are. But let's keep on proving that. The next one that I've got up on my random town generator is York. An important tip from one of the videos I released, I think probably 6 weeks ago now, is that sometimes you can see on the boards if they do live music or not, if they're advertising it. So it's definitely worth having a look at those. Golden Fleece. Live music, there you go. So that one took a little bit longer, but now you're probably thinking, right, now I've got this place, how do I get in contact with them? Well, the number one recommendation is to go in with your card. This shows that you're proactive and they can't sort of ignore you, like you're there, they have to speak to you. But if not, there's the number just here. You can also go onto the website, where sometimes they'll have an email address that you can just contact them on and inquire about if they'd be interested in putting you on. So yeah, email us, it's just there. So that's how you find the contact information of the pub, as well as finding the pub itself. Let's move on to the next place. We're going to do Nottingham. There you go. So we found one straight away. We did have one a second ago. The pictures disappeared. There you go. So they put on live music. This is in Nottingham. So go down here. You've got their phone number there. Or if you live in Nottingham, you can go in there, ask them to put you on, or what their criteria is. They might only put on bands, in which case you try and say, okay, well, can we do maybe a Thursday night or something in the week where something could be more acoustic if that's what you do. I'm going to wrap up the video there. You get the point. Go onto Maps, search up your town or city and say live music pubs next to that. Have a look down, have a look at the pictures, see if they do live music. Inquire about it, go into the place ideally with your business card and get some gigs and get booked. If you do get booked or you found anything helpful, let me know down in the comments. If you think I missed something out, let me know in the comments as well. And if you like the layout of this video, I'd really like to know. I'm trying to make the most valuable content possible. Goodbye!